What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You are watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to review an app which is a Grammarly app. You can see the app here. You can simply download it from the Play Store, or I can give the link in the description below of the app. So guys, it helps you while you are doing some kind of office work from your phone and you want a correct English grammar and even the spellings as well. So guys, it helps always helping you, and even it is for those who always want that their English must be correct, and it gives you a nice platform. But guys, if you are switching it from Swift key, then it is maybe difficult that you can may face some problems while you are shifting from this keyboard to the another one. And for the first time you also get or face the problem because the words are not has been saved in this app. So you need to give a 2 days at least for this app. So hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow on Twitter at channel Rohin and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.